Welcome to Snacks Weekly on Data Science. This podcast is all about making data science and machine learning knowledge accessible and less intimidating. Today, we are going to talk about ticket categorization. This topic is based on a tech blog with the title Enhancing Customer Support Through AI-Powered Ticket Issue Categorization, written by the data science team at RazorPay. You can find their blog link in this episode's description. Throughout this episode, we will dissect this topic from both business and data science angles. Now, let's dive in. On the business side, let's take a look at the problem to be solved.
What is RazorPay and how does it work?
RazorPay is a leading payment solution provider in India, processing over $80 billion in annual transactions and serving more than 8 million businesses. Much like PayPal, RazorPay enables merchants to accept multiple payment modes, such as credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. For example, imagine a small online store selling handcraft goods. With RazorPay, the store can seamlessly integrate various payment options, allowing customers to pay via their preferred methods without any hassle. RazorPay's business model centers on creating an ecosystem where merchants can manage all their financial operations in one place. And by eliminating the need to juggle multiple platforms, RazorPay tries to minimize user friction and solidify its position as a one-stop solution for financial management. This comprehensive approach ensures that customers remain within RazorPay's network, fostering customer loyalty and generating recurring revenue.
Why do they need customer support and how does ticket issue categorization come into the picture?
To maintain and grow such a large customer base, effective customer support is a critical component of RazorPay's operations. Issues like failed payments, refund requests, integration problems, or account-related queries can arise frequently. Resolving these issues quickly and efficiently is essential to maintain customer trust and satisfaction. Customer support at RazorPay acts as the first line of defense, addressing concerns and ensure they are directed to the appropriate team or specialist. This is where ticket categorization plays a pivotal role. Ticket categorization involves sorting incoming support tickets into predefined categories based on the issue type. This ensures that customer issues are promptly addressed by the most appropriate team, thereby improving operational efficiency. Currently, the process follows 3 steps. Users select a category or subcategory for the issue they are facing. Then, the customer will provide a description of the problem. Based on the selected category, the ticket is routed to the relevant team. If the selection is accurate, the assigned customer support agent begins resolving the issue. If not, the ticket is reassigned to the appropriate team. While this system is a good starting point, the team has found that customer-selected categories and subcategories are not always accurate, and this highlights the need for further improvement. Now that we've understood the business problem to solve, let's shift gear and dive into the technical side to see how the team built up their customized solution. The concept of solving the ticket categorization problem isn't new. Historically, people using natural language processing methods. However, the traditional natural language processing methods often struggle with accuracy, making them less reliable in practical applications. That changed with the advancement of generative AI models, like large language models recently. These models excel at understanding complex text inputs and generating meaningful outputs. This makes them ideal for interpreting customer input and automatically infer issue categories. The RazorPay team taps the power of the generative AI solution and approach this problem in 3 stages. First, they pre-processed the ticket data to ensure it was clean and secure. Second, they used ChatGPT to classify the ticket into appropriate categories. Finally, they enhanced the system by integrating a knowledge base to improve the accuracy and reliability of the AI system. Let's break this system down one by one. The first step about pre-processing involves taking a representative sample of tickets, while ensuring that personal and merchant information was removed. By stripping away all sensitive details, the team ensures that the data provided to the generative AI model was both usable and privacy compliant. The second step involves using generative AI model directly. Team leverages ChatGPT to act as an intelligent agent for ticket categorization. While this might sound simple, implementing it requires a thoughtful engineering process, particularly in designing the prompts. The prompts were crafted to set clear expectations, define the role of the AI, and explain the tasks and specify the desired output. For instance, the team instructed ChatGPT to classify each ticket into categories and subcategories based on the descriptions provided. They also outlined that the categorization should be mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive, and with brief descriptions for each category to clarify their scope. Prompt engineering played a critical role in refining the AI's performance. Early versions of the model, for example, grouped refund requests under payment issues, which the team later separated into distinct categories through iterative prompt adjustments. This refinement process eventually led to a 3-tier categorization framework. At the highest level, categories were broad enough to determine which team should handle the ticket. The intermediate level broke down these categories into more specific subcategories. Finally, the granular level provided the most detailed categorization, enabling deeper insights and precise routing. To further improve the system's performance, the team incorporated a knowledge base using a Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This knowledge base provided additional context to the generative AI model, ensuring the outputs were grouped in accurate and relevant information. For example, the knowledge base included descriptions of categories, frequently asked questions like refund process, and domain-specific examples. Tools like LangChain were used to retrieve this context and integrate it seamlessly into the AI's workflow. The results were impressive from this system. The ticket categorization accuracy was improved from 60% to 85%, making the system reliable enough for real-world use. This new process also eliminated the need for customers to manually select categories, streamlining their experience. For categories where the solution steps were automated, the system could even suggest potential solutions, further reducing the workload for support team. Now we discussed both the business problem and the technical solution. Let's wrap it up. In this episode, we talked about the RazorPay and the importance of customer service to their business. We also discussed how they improve customer ticket categorization by leveraging generative AI solution. Their approach replaced customer-selected categories with an AI-driven system that interpreted ticket details, enhanced through pre-processing, prompt engineering, and a knowledge base with Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This showcases the transformative potential of generative AI model in customer service area. If you like the content of this episode, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a 5-star review and leave a comment. Your feedback is very appreciated, and I'll see you next week.